Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Have you ever shared an Excel file and worried someone might accidentally edit critical data? Today I will show you how to log cells in Excel to keep your data safe and organized. Okay, let's dive right in. Imagine you are managing a sales report. The total columns need to stay protected, but your team should be able to update the monthly sales. Locking cells ensure no one tampers with the formulas. Start by selecting the entire sheet with Ctrl+A. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Go to the Protection tab and ensure the Lock checkbox is selected. By default, all cells are locked but not yet protected. Click OK. Done. Highlight the cells your team needs to edit. For example, the sales data columns. Right-click and go to Format Cells and uncheck the Locked option under the Protection tab. These cells are now editable even after the sheet is protected. Click OK. Now go to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet. Set a password and choose permissions, like allowing users to select locked and unlocked cells. Click OK. Re-enter the password. Click OK, and now your sheet is protected. Now it's time to test the protection. Try editing a locked cell. Excel will show a warning. Now edit an unlocked cell to confirm it works as intended. Let's say you want to lock all given cells for easy identification. First, open the Find and Replace tool by pressing Ctrl+F. Or go to the Home tab and click Find and select. Then go to the Find. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click Options and then Format. Click on Choose Format from Cells. Select the background color. Click Find All. Then press Ctrl+A to select all matching cells in the list. Close the dialog box. To apply protection, just right-click the selection. Choose Format Cells, go to the Protection tab, and ensure the Locked option is checked. Click OK. Again, go to the Review tab. Click on the Protect Sheet and set a password. Re-enter the password. Click OK. Done. This method saves time, especially when working with large data sets, where manual selection is time-consuming. Let's say you want to protect specific ranges with individual password. Go to the Review tab. Click on Allow Edit Ranges. In the Allow Edit Ranges window, click New. Provide a name for the range. Use the Refers to Cell box to select the specific range you want to protect. Now assign a password to this range. This password will be required to edit the range. If you want to restrict access to specific users, click Permissions and add their name. Only those users will be able to edit without a password. Click OK. Re-enter the password. Click OK. After setting the ranges, click Protect Sheet. Set a general password for the entire sheet, ensuring other areas remain locked. Re-enter the password. Click OK. Try editing the protected range. Excel will either prompt for the specific password or allow only specific users to make changes. Do you know how to unlock a protected sheet? Go to the Review tab. Click on Unprotect Sheet and enter the password if set. Finally, click OK. Done. Locking cells is a powerful way to protect your data while maintaining flexibility. It's especially useful for reports, shared documents, and sensitive calculations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick and easy Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.